Y'all, so I love me some fried catfish and spaghetti. And because I grew up in Chicago with my people that are from Mississippi, this was a staple in my household. This was made every Friday. You couldn't have fried fish without spaghetti, and you couldn't have spaghetti without fried fish. They go together like, I don't know, rice and gravy, mashed potatoes and gravy. I don't know, butter and grits. We don't do no sugar around here. Anywho, this is the plate you gotta have, okay? This is the one that will make you official in the eyes of some Chicagoans. So let me show you how to make it. Add your noodles to the pot, and booze, try not to make a mess like me. Once that's cooking, start on your meat. We're gonna add ground beef and sausage to a skillet. You can also switch this up with ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you prefer. And we're gonna brown it up. Then toss in your onion and bell pepper. And for the seasoning, just season it up how you like. For my exact blend, make sure you check the recipe. Now we're gonna add in some fresh garlic and let that cook until fragrant. Bring in those crushed tomatoes, the tomato sauce, a splash of red wine for some extra flavor, Italian seasoning, a little sugar, and red pepper flakes. Mix it all together and let it simmer low and slow. And while that's bubbling away, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the catfish. I like to start with my seasoning blend. I use some cornmeal flour and spices and shake those up. Then in another bowl, I whisk together some eggs and some hot sauce. I easily just dredge going back and forth, making sure that I coat it super well and then shake off any excess. After that, I let the fish sit for a few minutes so it can really adhere to that nice breading before I get to frying. Once it's all battered up, you can drop it in the hot oil. Soon as it's golden brown, it's ready. It's that simple. Now stir that rich meat sauce into your pasta, plate it up with that crispy catfish, and booze, this right here will get your whole life. What y'all know about this? Put it in the comments if you eat catfish and spaghetti. All right, y'all, here is our beautiful plate of our fried fish and spaghetti. You can, also add some white bread. If you super old school, you into it, you can add some garlic bread. You can even go with some cornbread. It's your world, or you can serve it up just like this. Get your hot sauce, get yourself together. Now, the thing is, this is basically 2 entrees. So you got your fish over here. Okay, we getting a little sedity with it. And you got your spaghetti over here. So we go one at a time. This is not like fish and grits where you plate them on top of each other. You gotta have both, separate. All right. And I like my spaghetti super meaty and saucy, so that's how we do. That's it right there. Meaty, saucy. Seasoned up. That's it right there. All right, let's get into this fish. Let's see what this fish doing. That was good. And we got that little crunch. See what this fish is doing. That's good right there. Y'all got to do this right here. You got to try this. You got to make both at the same time, okay? No more fish alone. No more spaghetti alone. You got to combine it, all right? We a pair. We together, okay? We yin and yang, all right? We doing it. We salt and pepper. You know what I'm saying? We doing it. All right? Get you a little garlic bread. That could be Spinderella. Get into this recipe. Love y'all.